Hello, my YouTube friends. Thanks for stopping by. Let's get right into it. Yes, now we're still with the Super Affiliate Network and how to earn online while making money earning. And we're still on Bootcamp 6, but we're with number 7. And I will be continually quoting what my coach Misha Wilson is saying and has taught me. And when you get ready to start making money, if they want to charge you, just ignore them and move on to the next one. They are definitely scammers, okay? Now, if this super affiliate network gets a little confusing, just click off this and go back to Bootcamp 6, number 6, so you can catch up, okay? All right, let's continue. We're right into the making money right now slide, so let's get started. Okay, this one is the customer service rep, which is at the call centers. Many U.S.-based companies such as American Express and Walgreens use virtual agents to answer their inbound customer service calls. These jobs typically pay anywhere from $8 to $15 per hour, depending upon experience. You will need good customer service skills, a landline phone, and a computer with high-speed internet. You'll also need a quiet house. Now, this is not ideal for the stay-at-home mom with young kids because, the kids get fussy, they get tired, they get hungry, they get sick, and they need the mother's attention. So, and when these children are young, they do rule the house, okay? So this is definitely not ideal for the stay-at-home mom. Now, here's a few places that you can find that customer service job. American Express, Alpine Access, Flowers, and Working Solutions. The next one is document translator. If you are bilingual, you have a skill that is in demand. Document translators translate documents from one language to another. You'll need a good understanding of the language you're translating so that you can convey the meaning of the first document in the translated document. Places you can find translation jobs are Appen, APPEN, Clickworker, and Lionbridge. Next is the web designer. If you're a creative type, becoming a web designer, may be up your alley. Some people learn web design by trial and error, while others learn web design in college or by taking courses. I've heard good things about the Girl's Guide to Web Design if you're interested in taking a course. Just as you would with other freelance jobs, I suggest that you tap into your own personal network to find jobs. Creating a network that highlights your portfolio is another great way to draw people in. Now, where you can find a web design job is Fiverr, 99 Designs, Crop Job Board, and Coral Flat Job Board. Next one is right for content mills. Now, content mills are platforms where businesses can request specific articles, usually in large batches. Content mill writers will then have the ability to choose which articles they want to write from the list and get paid to write them. When you sign up to write for a content mill, you'll have to submit a writing sample or go through a writing test. Writing for content mills is a way to earn a little bit of money quickly since jobs are continually posted. The downside is that content mills pay much less than other types of writing jobs. The other con is that a lot of the articles requested on content mills are usually very specific, like advantages of a certain type of printer, the best flea spray, the best hotels in a certain city, etc. Don't expect to make a full-time living writing for content mills. The pay usually only ranges from $1 to $10 per article. Even as a beginner freelance blogger, you stand to make much more at about $20 per article. And here's are some of the content mills you can check out: Text Broker, Zaries, Online Writing Jobs, and iWriter. Now we're going right into the Super Affiliate Network. I know that you're the right person to have promoting as a partner. I know that you're the individual who I can help hit their goals most. The pro level or partnership is the ideal place for you to start. In short, being a pro level member or above, positioning yourself to earn the big $1,000 to $5,000 commission on the back end, along with the ability to earn big $500 commissions on every single sale that one of your pro members make, along with 20% of every sales that they produce, is what will allow you to work smart and not only hard. The 5 keys to profitability are traffic, irresistible offer, coaching and mentorship, sales funnel, and ascension. And let me ask you a question. What would an extra $1,000 per week do for your financial situation? How much less stress would you experience if you're making just an extra couple of $100 per day? And what would it do for your personal life if you had 3 to 4 hours per day to spend with your loved ones? What would it do for your financial situation to make an extra $10,000 per month or even $30,000 per month like our top producers do? I hope you're starting to get excited at the immense power in this ultimate lifestyle system in front of you right now. And while it might now be where you end up finishing your journey, the pro level membership absolutely is the ideal place for you to start. So by now you're probably wondering exactly what you get as a pro level member. So let's take a minute and break down everything you'll get when you say yes to the pro partnership today. You'll get the license right to promote and earn big commissions on my suite of irresistible offers and value-driven profit line. And the real world value is $4,997. Now, that's not what he's saying this stuff costs. It's just the value of what this product is. A suite of done-for-you A through Z sales funnels to promote and done-for-you automation for marketing and fulfillment. That real world value is just saying this is valued at $4,997. Instant position to earn big $1,000 plus commissions. Monthly emerging coaching with me or myself or multi-million-dollar team. That's valued at $997. The Sand Pro Inner Circle Mastermind. The real world value is $1,997. Lifetime access to our Ascend to Freedom weekly coaching calls. That real world value is $9,997. And access to 5 of my best information products to study and to sell as your own. Actually, I'll sell them for you. And that's value. That value is priceless. A done-for-you phone sales team to call back all of your leads and close them for you into big $1,000 and potentially $2,000, $3,500, and even $5,500 commission. And that real world value is $9,997. Personal coaching for all of your members you bring into the Super Affiliate Network. You earn 20% of all of their sales, and my coaches will get them producing. And that real world value is valued at $9,997 and a more streamlined path to profits in your business. Yes, that brings us to the end of this video. I need you to click or copy this video so you can learn more about the Super Affiliate Network and how to buy it for only $1. Then I need you to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thanks again for stopping by, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.